Hi guys, we received this JAZAVA gold pendant ceiling lights with clear glass for event purposes. And well, first it's taken on the box. They require a minimal installation process. Here it comes the instructions. You can see it's very simple. You get a glove to protect yourself and all the pieces you need to install it, which is really nice. Here we have the golden rods to install it. Here we have the clear cast. It's really nice. The base that will go into the ceiling, and in here we've got the where the light bulb goes. Okay. This, and then you will screw it in here just like that. This is a socket for the light bulb. Put it like this, and this goes like this. You just put the bulb in here and install it. As you can see, it's really easy. It comes all you need, so let's go install it. Now it's ready, all set, all done. It looks very nice. It has an amazing color. So I'm gonna turn it on and see how it looks. As you can see, it looks really nice. I like a lot of the design, gold design. And if you had angled ceiling or anything, you can angle it without worries. Depending on your roof, which is really nice. It's amazing colors and it works great. I would recommend it. See ya!